Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get started with Google Chat. Google Chat is a simple to use communication platform created by Google, and we can use it in many ways for our business and our teamwork. Just go to Google and search for Google Chat and click on the Google Chat over here. If you are logged into your browser with your Gmail address, you can be automatically logged on, and if you haven't, then you have to log into your Gmail account. As you can see, I have already logged into Google Chat with my Gmail address. Now I am going to give you guys a view on how to actually get started with Google Chat. First, I will explain to you this panel on your left where you can browse your chats, spaces, or maybe workspaces you can say, and we have a meet section here where you can create or join any meeting you want, and we have a status bar here where you can set yourself up as available, do not disturb, or set as aware. And we also have different chat notification settings where you can block any notification, enable or disable notification you want, and we can also switch themes here from light to dark mode as per our convenience. We have this setting button here, then our Google Apps, our Google account, our Google Calendar, and we have this keep section where we can keep our important notes, and this is the task section where we can create, perform, and complete our different tasks. This is the most different and then we have this task section here from where we can create, perform, and complete our different tasks. And this is what makes Google Chat different from another communication platform, that we can manage all of our tasks within our communication platform. And then we have Google Contacts over here. There are no contacts as I don't have any, but if you have them, then it will be shown here. Then I'm gonna show you guys this space section from where you can create a workspace for you, like if you click this plus icon and click on the create space, you can create a space of something that you want to manage, like I'm creating space for 100 days of code. And you can also choose emojis from this whole emoji section, and you have to enter the name or email of a person or group that you wanna add into your space section. Now create it. As you can see, a space has been created for me in the name of 100 days of code, and from here you can pin it, you can manage a notification of it, and leave blocked and report anytime you want. As you can see, this is the chat section of my space. From here I can type any message I want, and I also have these special characters like bold, italic, underline, and this text colors. I can also upload GIF or upload files, and I can also upload video meeting. And from here I can upload anything from my calendar and my drive file. Apart from the chat section, we have this file section. From here we can manage all of our shared files within our space, and you can also see the name of the person who has shared the file. And this is the task section. As I told you before, from here we can create, perform, and complete the task we want. We don't have to open a different workspace for it. Just add the task, and I am writing task of creating a portfolio website. and just add the details of it. I am writing XYZ for now. You can also set a date and time for your task. And then you have to assign it to the person you want and just add. You can also view this task in the chat, and you can also delete it from here. And once the task is done, you can also mark completed, and it will be shown on the bottom of your screen where all of your completed tasks are shown. We also have this meet section from where we can create and join meeting anytime we want, and we also have this minimize button where all of our chat and spaces are shown, and they will be minimized if you are working on something else in the meantime. Hope you guys find this helpful, and I'll surely catch you up in the next one. Until then, see ya, have a great day.